Ready to turn that Pinterest board into a reality, but the budget is giving you a reality check? Home improvement projects, whether they're minor repairs or major renovations, are a necessary part of homeownership. They can boost your property value, increase energy efficiency, and simply make your home a better place to live. But let's be honest, funding these projects can often be the biggest hurdle. You might be considering a home equity line of credit, a standard personal loan, or maybe even dipping into savings. But what if there was a loan specifically designed to help eligible homeowners in certain communities with smaller, essential projects? That's exactly what the Patriot Plus Home Improvement Loan is. In a nutshell, it's a secured loan offered by Patriot Bank, and programs like it are often offered by local or community-focused financial institutions, designed to help homeowners afford key improvements without needing a huge amount of home equity or having to take on a massive new mortgage. While the specifics can vary based on the provider, here's a breakdown of the typical features and who it's generally for. First, the loan is often secured, meaning it uses your property as collateral, which generally allows the lender to offer a more favorable interest rate than an unsecured personal loan. However, unlike a full-blown home equity loan or HELOC, the loan amount is typically smaller. For example, some Patriot Plus programs are capped at a specific amount, like $7,500. This makes it perfect for those crucial but less expensive projects, things like repairing a leaky roof, updating an aging HVAC system, or making accessibility modifications. Second, the eligibility is often focused on serving specific communities. For example, Patriot Bank's program typically targets homeowners whose property is their primary, owner-occupied residence and located within a designated area, sometimes defined as a majority-minority census tract in a specific county. This is a common feature of community development loans. They are designed to provide accessible funding where it can have the greatest neighborhood impact. Third, look for the special terms. These kinds of community loans often feature remarkably low, fixed annual percentage rates or APRs, sometimes as low as 1%, with favorable repayment terms, maybe 7 years or so. This structure is intended to make monthly payments predictable and truly affordable for the homeowner. So, who should look into the Patriot Plus Home Improvement Loan? Anyone who owns their home in the qualifying service area, needs to complete essential or value-adding repairs, and prefers a smaller, secured loan with a very low interest rate over tapping into all their home equity or using a higher interest personal loan. If this sounds like the solution you need for that overdue project, your next step is to check the specific details, including the exact terms, current rates, and eligibility criteria with the offering institution. Programs like this are powerful tools for responsible home maintenance and community revitalization. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.